Assalamu alaikum. Hi, I am Natasha. Today we are going to find a trend in any instrument you are trading. Visually and technically both. By the end of this video, you are going to master in finding a trend in less than a minute for any instrument you intend to trade. So, let's go. Trend is your friend, unless it bends. Each time frame has its own trend. This is the biggest confusion found in many traders, that which time frame to choose for trading. As you can see in the charts, that price action may vary from frame to frame. For example, you may experience a downtrend in lower time frames, and at the same time, higher time frames are showing an uptrend. Okay, now how to clarify the confusion of which time frame to choose for trading. Here is the trading style. For scalping, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes time frames are used and trade for only 10 to 20 pips per trade. Take a mandatory break after 10 entries. Intraday, 1 hour, 4 hour, time frames are taken into planning as day trading is intended, to enter the market and take profit or loss on the same day. Swing trade, takes 2 days to 2 weeks to complete, and we work in day 1 and week time frame. Position trading, is for quarterly, half-yearly, or sometimes full year is taken into work plan for the take profit. To determine the trend visually, it is very easy. Just open the required time frame chart and zoom out at full range and see the sides of your monitor. Observe from which level price is emerging from left side and vanishing from right side. For example, if the price is emerging from lower part of the left screen and vanishing at the higher part of the screen, then we conclude the trend is up or bullish market in that particular time frame. Same if the price is seen at the upper side of the screen and going towards lower side of the screen, then it is a downtrend or bearish market in that particular time frame. To confirm the trend by technical analysis, simply insert simple moving average of 44 and 200. Now, if the 44 is moving above 200 moving average, then the market is bullish, and if the 44 is moving below the 200, then market is considered bearish. Key points to observe. While 44 crossing 200 moving average. If the 44 is crossing 200 and moving above, it is called a golden cross, and a possible bullish market trend is coming. If 44 is crossing 200 and going down, it called death cross, and a possible bearish market trend is happening. Find a buy entry in bullish market at support. Find a sell entry in bearish market at resistance. I hope you have understood and will practice it by back testing a particular chart. The craziest confusion of choosing a time frame should have been removed. I will come again with a video on choosing a trading style that matches your daily lifestyle and nature. For now, I am taking a leave. Take care.